Hello there, it's Alison here. I hope you've all had a wonderful day. I wanted to just quickly catch up on my last video, I believe, where I talked about two very powerful indicators which I use to swing trade cryptocurrencies. And these were the Bollinger Band and the stochastic RSI. So just a quick update on where I am with the trade which I have carried out with these two indicators right now. But first of all, you can see that it's been a very bloody day in the market. This is just a 1 hour. The market is just saw a bit of a bounce in the last 1 hour, but I don't think this is going to last. If we take it back, you can see the kind of situation we've had in the market, down double digits. Okay, so this basically gives you. I mean, this video is meant to give you an idea of how you should prepare for downtrends like this. Okay, we see this all the time in cryptocurrency markets going up and down, and it tends to respond a lot to news. It's very like very fidgety market actually. So essentially what we are doing here is to help you prepare for this kind of downtrends, and that would imply you should always aim to sell your cryptos when the market is on the rise. As you can see, this is the back office of Coinigi, which is one of the platforms I use for my charts. Okay, um so to apply these indicators, you can see how I do that in my previous videos, and you can see right now we are in a downtrend. I'm on the daily candlestick period. So all these are represent trading in 1 day. So as you can see with this strategy which I'm deploying here, I sold around here. That was where I sold. I think it was sometime last weekend, I believe. Going by, this started trending all the way up, and we just monitoring it. And when it broke this top Bollinger Band, we still gave it some time to consolidate, and it went as far as as far as this price, 0 point about 332,000 Satoshi. And I waited for it to have this red candle, and then it started to drop. Now I did have a feeling that it's going to get support just above this 20-day moving average, which is about the middle of the Bollinger Band. Exactly what happened, but I had already closed my positions by then because I followed this, what my chart told me to do. But I didn't panic into rebuying because this has been such a strong bull run, and I knew that after it's going to get exhausted, and then people are going to sell and take profit. This is exactly what is happening. Okay, so as you can see here, we sold at this point. You sell. You can see these two blue and red lines. The whole strategy is to aim to sell when this blue line crosses this red line. Okay, you will see that point around here. This is where you should sell, and then aim to buy back in when this blue line at the bottom crosses crosses back, and starts to rise up again. That is how you just ride this wave. Okay, that's how you ride the wave. So if you had taken profits, now everybody is crying that the market is down. We are just waiting for a suitable point to buy back. Okay, so we use GVT for this example because this is an actual trade which I have engaged in. So we've already taken some profits around here, and then we've got all the money we sold, and then we're waiting for a suitable re-entry point, okay, to buy back in. Now, interestingly, this has broken the 20-day moving average, so it's going to experience more downtrend. We'll see where this trend goes all the way down to. Ideally, you want to let it to break this bottom Bollinger Band for maximum profit, and then you can buy back in all the way down here. I think it's broken this 20-day moving average. It's probably going to sink a bit more. As you can see, the sell volumes again is also increasing. The bottom here, the daily sell volumes is increasing, so people are selling off, and the more they sell off, the more prices are going to drop. Okay, so ideally you want to fall down all the way, but if you're happy with your profit and this does a bounce then you might want to buy back it, but it's entirely up to you. But ideally, I'm going to probably ride it all the way down and maybe start buying when it crosses this lower Bollinger Band. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so that is crypto for you. You must have a plan in place to take profits when you see the charts are like this. Okay, so that when it is falling, you are just happy, you're rubbing your hands, and you're waiting to get back into the market. Okay, so this is not too much of a technical analysis. It's just showing you the indicators which I use to actually gauge the sentiment of the market and know how where the market is actually heading. Okay, so you can rewind this video and so you can understand the concepts which I have talked about here, right? So yeah, it's Alison bringing you this new crypto video about how the progress of a trade I have made using a strategy which I had previously explained here on YouTube. Okay, now cryptocurrency, it's goes up and down, and this is why we always advocate people do not put all your eggs in one basket. Do not invest more than you are willing or able to lose. Okay, there are great opportunities here, but the market is so volatile. But when you have trend indicators like what I've just showed you here, you are able to monitor the trend, and then you sell when the price is high, and then you also aim to buy back later. Okay, because even if you're holding for long term, you still have to know the best time to sell. And I use the Bollinger Band, and also I use the RSI, stochastic RSI, as my two main indicators to try and look at the trends. Okay, so yeah, hopefully I buy this back later. Now, if you are looking for other things to do that could also give you some extra income, I know most of us are looking for how to make extra income. So I also have other programs I do online. That way I'm not always overtly worried when cryptocurrencies begin to dump, because my background is mainly in internet marketing, and crypto is just an addition. Okay, so it is good you also have another stream of income. And basically what this is another program which I am involved in, which I use to also make extra income, on a weekly basis. This is basically a tool suite of an internet marketing software that you can use to promote any business online. Okay, so with this system, you take the training involved, and then you are able to make things. You are able to build lead capture pages, like the one I'm going to leave below this video is going to be something like that one. Let's see. No, I think it's going to be something like this one. Let me show you what it's going to be. So I'm going to leave this link to this video below, and I'm going to show you exactly how I'm making $100 to $400 per day or per sale online with a single website. Okay, so if you're interested in this, you just need to put your email address in there. Don't put a fake email address. There is no point. You know who I am. I will not be spamming you. Just looking for teammates who want to learn how they are going to use a genuine online program to be able to make an income on the internet. So the whole idea, you need to diversify. Don't just put all your effort into crypto. You also need to look at other genuine programs online you can use to make a great income for yourself online. So either which way, once you build up this business, then you are able to make sure you solidify your income. And when crypto is a bit down, and when you're waiting to buy back like I am, you can then begin to pay attention to other things and build other things as well. Okay, so there'll be a couple of emails that will follow, so that's why you should put a good email address if this is of interest to you. And yeah, if you have any questions, just reply to the email. Like I said, you know who I am. I'm not going to be spamming you. If you don't want it, just unsubscribe. It is as simple as that. But the whole idea for me, I'm just sharing with you guys what I'm doing on a daily basis to take my mind off crypto, and yeah, to show you that I have other sources of income. I have other things I do online, but this is one of my most consistent earners. Stick your email in if you want more information, and reach out to me either here on YouTube or to my email, or you can catch me on Facebook, Alison Isibo, or you can catch me on Twitter. We also have a Telegram group, which I'm going to leave a link below, where we mainly discuss, crypto trading and strategies to help you conquer crypto. So once again, it's Alison here, bringing you an update on my stochastic RSI and Bollinger Band strategy for swing trading crypto. I don't day trade, I only swing, and by swings I mean you catch the large swings or sell at the top here and hopefully buy back at the bottom. Okay, that is how you make the maximum profit. So if you like this video or you have any comments, please leave it below the video for me. And I have a couple of links for you to either join our Telegram group, or if you want to, if you want to have a look at this my other business opportunity, feel free to fill in your details, your email address, and yeah, hopefully we'll be in touch soon. Okay, so it's Allison here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye. Before I forget, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also share this video with people you think it will be helpful to them. All right, so take care, and hopefully speak to you soon. Bye bye.